Hi everyone.
I'm Alan.
I'm Manuel.
So Manuel is my son and you have seen him in so many videos. So today we're gonna be unboxing our new
camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator.
So let's go and unbox it together.
Let's go.
Sit. Okay, Manuel, you can open it now. Yeah. Out. Open this one. Wait inside.
I think this is a microphone.
La louche.
Yeah.
Là, ça fait aussi là. Ah oui. Chiudi là. E poi ci sono questi. Metti lì. Aprilo. Aprilo. Si apre. Questo è una bene. Devi girare bene. E qua e questo qua si toglie così. Togli questa cosa, si toglie questa cosa da sopra. La prova.
Cosa c'è?
Allora, per accendere, ok? Devi girare qua così. E si accende. Caspicchia.
Oh yeah, like this.
No, qua. No.
Non so se questo stoppa.
No, vabbè. La luce.
Ah!
Ok. everyone. So this is the first time that I'm just trying out my new DJI Pocket 4 Creator, and yeah, I've just unboxed it right now, and then I went out, and yeah, I'm just trying sounds. I'm trying let's say I'm trying the microphone. I'm trying as well to film so that I can just see how the image will, how the video, the quality of the video will be. So yeah, let me tell you that for my first impression, Manuel, how do you see the quality of the video? Just come over here.
Well, it's kind of good, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's clear, more clear than the first one that we have, the DJI Pocket 2. So the 4 one, okay, which we're using right now, it's the quality is really good. So I can even try to zoom it so that you can see the quality of the zoom. Let me see, how do you zoom again? Okay, anyway, so let's try. There we go. So that the zoom is let's say it's 224x. So let me just try to go up to 4. Okay, I'm just trying to zoom manual. Now we are at 2.9, 3, 3.5, 6, 7, and that to 4. You see the quality of the image. I remember the first one that I've been using, the DJI Pocket 2, that one was up to 2x. So let's go back. Now we are at 2. So let me just flip it at the other side. Yeah, you see. Yeah, anyway, so I'll be trying it today, and then we will see how it goes. Okay. While you're walking, just trying to film again and using my mic to see and check the quality of the mic that you can see here, which is the mic 3, if I'm not wrong. So I'll just try to go around and test the camera and see exactly how it's going to be, because right now I'm even walking and you can see that there is not that movement of, that the image is just, well, so when using sometimes some other camera, you will see that it's going up and down, but with this one I can see that it's stable and it's not moving. So let me flip it again. There we go. Yeah, yes, as you can see right now, let's say outside, and yeah, still just testing the new DJI Pocket Osmo, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator, and yeah, right now I'm just testing all the lights, and I have my camera just in front of me, connected with my phone, okay, with my iPhone, and I'm commanding everything from my iPhone, so I can change the exposure, I can zoom in and I can zoom out, as you can see. Then I can zoom out again, just going down. I can even change, I've seen somewhere that I can change the color. Let me see. Yeah, so yeah, okay, that's the exposure. Yeah, you see now it's a bit clear, more, so a lot of lights getting inside of the camera. Let me just put it back as it was before. Let's make it down a little bit again. Let's decrease it. Yeah, I think like this it's okay. So this camera, okay, this DJI Osmo Pocket 4, yeah, I've seen that it can do more than what DJI Pocket 2 was doing, and I'm really loving it. So I'm just still discovering new stuff, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Espérons que ça nous apporte beaucoup plus de modifications et de nouveautés. Mais d'ailleurs, je le remarque qu'il y a une très grande différence des images que je faisais avant avec, disons, avec l'ancienne caméra DJI Pocket 2, ok, la DJI Pocket 2. Et je n'avais pas voulu faire une mise à jour directement à la DJI Pocket 3 quand elle est sortie, et vu que j'avais déjà une autre caméra, donc j'avais la GoPro que j'étais en train d'utiliser, et alors j'ai trouvé inutile de pouvoir continuer avec une nouvelle caméra. Mais bon, en fait, comme vous le savez, de temps en temps, la technologie change, il y a des changements. Il était temps de pouvoir faire une nouvelle mise à jour, voir une caméra qui répondait aux normes. Donc, avec tout ce qu'il y a comme innovation sur la DJI Pocket 4, ok. Et voilà, pourquoi pas ne pas faire cette mise à jour de cet outil. Je pense que ça nous servira beaucoup, vu que la plupart des vidéos que j'ai toujours fait sont des vidéos de vlogging en voyage, et quelquefois des vidéos sur des analyses politiques. Il faut utiliser cette caméra pour faire des analyses politiques, mais déjà j'ai un petit studio que j'utilise déjà avec une autre caméra qui est celle d'Elgato, ok, que j'utilise déjà pour faire des analyses. Donc j'utilise déjà une autre caméra pour faire ces analyses politiques. Donc je n'utilise pas la DJI Pocket 2 ou bien la DJI Pocket